This is a Lumsing Mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. If you have a Mac, this is the perfect solution to connect to your TV's HDMI. It supports 4K resolution and 3D. It also supports 7.1 audio surround at 3 GB per second. It's compact enough to travel in your computer bag and sturdy enough to last you. It even comes with a cap for the Mini DisplayPort plug. And one of the major advantages to this particular adapter is the company support. You can easily contact them by email or through their website, located on the info card that comes in the package. You also have the choice of removing the protective plastic. So far, the product feels and functions like a high-quality product. It's simple, and it works. If I was able to help out your buying decision with my review, please give me a like below, and I appreciate it. All the best!